Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Get Dirty Garage. Just thought I'd give you a quick update on some of the projects that are going on around here and give you a sincere apology about not getting a bunch of stuff recorded and out there to you, but we do have some good stuff coming on the Elko here pretty soon, so look forward to that. But just wanted to give you kind of a quick update. First, we're trying to take advantage of this very short summer that we actually have in Michigan and try and get some of the outdoor stuff done, and so that kind of resulted we had to get started and paint all the white trim on the house, so spend a lot of time on the ladder and shaking knees and stuff like that. But then what we have been working on, Mama kind of wanted to redo the beach, so we had quite a slope in here and sand that we had in there it kept washing out and so on, so kind of started by removing a little bit of dirt from there. When I say a little bit of dirt, it's a pretty good pile of dirt, so pulled all that out and removed it, and then what we started with was putting down a bunch of crushed concrete for, I think it was 72 tons of crushed concrete for a footer, and laying these blocks around here. They're kind of cool. They interlock and with little fiberglass pins and so on. But building a wall, and then we'll fill up this bottom portion with sand and kind of blend it into the lake a little bit. So a lot of work going on there. Been sweating and grunting on that. I think there's a total of like 680 blocks or something that we're moving down there, and at 70 pounds a piece. I think if my math's right, that's like 11 million pounds of cement blocks that we've moved. So that's in the middle of all of that, trying to get that accomplished before weather turns too bad and so on. But also give you an update. I want to do a quick video on where we're at with the pole barn, so you can kind of see what's happening there. But just wanted to kind of give you that shot of what's going on around the homestead here, and what's been keeping us busy and going on for the summertime. So stay tuned, and we'll do a quick time lapse of the progress on the pole barn, show you where that's at, and we'll pick it up from there.
Is this thing on? Yeah.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for today. Just wanted to kind of give you a quick update, like I said, but appreciate you watching along. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think of what's going on. Promise you we're going to get back on the Outco. Got some really cool stuff coming up on the on kind of the front end mock-up. I think you'll enjoy with that. So give me a little bit of time on that. We'll get back to the beast here. But anyways, I appreciate you watching so much. Can't even tell you how thankful we are for everybody that leaves us a comment and subscribe. So if you get a chance, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and until next time, take care. See you soon.